Welcome to Science Smart TV. My name is Agandukwe and I'm delighted to have you join us today. We have a problem on the board. So in profiling solution to this problem we've been asked to evaluate, it's good to put down the question again, which is 4 plus double brackets into 5 minus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 2 and another square bracket raised to the power 2. Looking at this problem, you just have to be conscious of the brackets and the powers to be able to get the correct solution to the problem. So what do? We adopt BODMAS, which is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So BODMAS guides us to sequentially solve the problem, which will definitely lead us to the accurate answer. So in algebraic expressions, BODMAS is very important as a guiding tool to resolving algebraic expressions. So we look at BODMAS, brackets. We resolve the bracket first. It is ideal to solve the internal brackets and extend to other brackets. So if you look at this, there is a square bracket and there is also a square, meaning that every other thing that is computed here should be squared. So there is also this square, which means the entirety of this has to be squared too. And there is also square here, meaning whatever you have here has to be squared. So this is the most internal of brackets, which must be resolved first. So if you look here, you have 5 minus 2, which is 3, and you have squared. 3 raised to the power 2 is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. So we have 9 as our answer here. So we've resolved the most internal bracket. So the next thing is to extend it to others. You complete the problem before proceeding. So you now have this as the newest version of the problem. So you consult BODMAS again, bracket of division. There's also brackets, so we need to do justice to the bracket that we have. 9 divided by 3 is the same as 3, but raised to the power 2. We must have to resolve that. 3 raised to the power 2 is the same as 3 times 3, which is the same as 9. We'll put 9 here. So we've resolved the second bracket. So the next thing is to complete the question. Before proceeding. So the newest version of this expression is now this. So what do? We look at BODMAS again to see what next we are to do. And BODMAS is also pointing at brackets. He's saying that bracket must be resolved before going to any other thing. So if you look at this, the bracket is still unresolved. We still have a bracket. So it's good to clear it. 4 plus 9 is 13. Raised to the power 2, which is the same as 169. So this is the solution after evaluating this problem. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to always be informed when next another video is released. Bye bye.